Hello everybody and welcome to ICT Year 3. This is Mr. Ali. Okay, today we're gonna continue in our lessons in pixels. This is the new unit, okay, and we're gonna learn how the computers recognize images, okay, how the computers recognize images, okay. You know that the computer uses pixels to show images, but how does the computer know what the image is? Okay, how does it know that this is a picture of a car or a picture of a dog or a picture of a person, or if the person is a boy or a girl or anything? Okay, how does the computer recognize images? We need to know that even the human eye makes mistakes. Like when you think you saw something, but when you get near it, you see that it is something else. Like I thought I saw my friend down the hall. Okay, just like the human eye and brain, computer needs a way of working out the different parts of the image are. Okay, just like the human eye, computer needs a way of working out what the different parts of the image are. Okay, we call this image recognition. Image recognition. All right, image recognition. So why does a computer read to recognize image? So this is a picture of a drone. This is a flying camera. Okay, it takes pictures of the crops or the farm. Okay, and it tells the farmer which crop is sick or which one needs more water or anything. Okay, so as you say, this octocopter uses image recognition to work out if crops are sick. Okay, computers need face recognition for security reasons. Just like you have on the new phones, there's a security that when you open your phone, it opens with your face recognition. Okay, with your face recognition, it can recognize your face by seeing the edge detection. Okay, a computer also uses shapes to recognize an image. It makes the image into shapes by using edge detection. Edge detection. Okay, detection is, for example, if we need to know that this is a flying camera, okay, it sees its edge. So this is its edge, okay, on your right and on your left, and the top and the bottom. Okay, it has so many fans that let it go up in the air. Okay, so just like a mini helicopter. Okay, so it uses edge detection. Okay, so in this picture of a dog, you can see the computer recognizes that this is a dog. How does it know that this is a dog? Okay, by looking at its edges. You can see this edge on the right. This is ears, this is eyes, this is a nose, this is legs, and this is a tail, and this is a tongue. How does it know that this is a dog? By edge recognition. Edge recognition. Then it compares what it detects to what it already knows. This all happens very quickly. It recognizes the image very, very quickly. Okay? So digital images play an important role in our society. Image can make a difference how people think and feel. This is because of four things. Okay? The first thing, it shows things that are important to us, like keeping a family picture or keeping a picture of you with your friends or anything nice. It also helps us to remember things like our trip last summer or a wedding or some kind of reunion, family reunion or anything. Okay? It also helps us to see how other people live, like pictures from other cultures like India or Africa or even other countries. Like nowadays, you can open Google, see, like if you want to go to Canada, you can just type pictures of Canada and it will show you exactly how Canada looks or exactly how anything looks. So pictures are really important to us. So the computer needs to recognize pictures to tell us which picture to show. Okay? It also makes us feel emotions like happiness, calm, sadness, sympathy, and anger. Okay? We all know happiness, right? Calm is just like relaxing. If you saw a nice photo, you'll be relaxing. Sadness, if you saw like a photo of someone suffering, or poor people, or people from war, or anything. Sympathy is when you see like someone you feel sympathy for, someone you feel sorry for, okay? Like a child, a child who is not finding food or anything, you feel sympathy for them. This is what sympathy is. You feel sorry for them, okay? And anger is when you see like a picture of war or violence or something really bad, you get like the feeling of anger. For example, a picture of a puppy or a baby can make you feel calm, while a picture of war could make you feel angry. Okay? So, because pictures are so powerful, we need to be responsible when we make images or share them with others. Okay? We need to be very careful and very responsible who to share pictures with. You do not share pictures with anyone. You have to ask your parents first what pictures you can send and you can send it to or anything. Because parents know better and they want what's good for us. It's quick and easy to make many digital images with mobile phones, digital cameras, or tablet computers. And when we take these images, we need to think carefully about how to keep our images safe and away from the internet. Okay? You do not send just any picture to anyone in the internet, your picture or a picture of your family or anything. If you want to send anything, you have to consult your parents first. You have to ask your parents. This is a safe way to use the internet and to share pictures or images. Okay? So these images have different formats or different types. Formats means types. Okay? We are going to learn that there are more than one type of image format in our computer. The most useful formats are JPEG, also known as JPG files. It's files that end in .jpg. Okay? So JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Joint Photographic Experts Group, JPEG, okay, which created this standard for this type of image formatting. Okay, so JPEG files are images that have been compressed to store a lot of information in a small size file. Okay, JPEG files are images that have been compressed to store a lot of information in a small size file. Okay, most digital cameras store photos in JPEG format because then you can take it more pictures on one camera and you can do other formats. Okay, in JPEG you can take more photos on camera card than you can with other formats, but because it is compressed and its data is compressed. Okay, so it does not take a lot of space in the memory. Okay, the second one, okay, let me show you an example of the JPEG. Okay, so this is a JPEG. This is a normal picture. Okay, this is a normal picture. Let me see. This one, this is a normal picture. This is a JPEG. So when we click or right click and we go to properties, yes, this one, you can see that this is a JPEG image. JPEG. It has .jpg. Okay, JPEG, just like this one. Okay, so the second format we have is GIF, a type of format called GIF file. It is files that end in GIF. So GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. Graphic Interchange Format. Okay? This format compresses images, but as different from JPEG, the compression is lossless. The compression is lossless. Lossless means no detail is lost in the compression, but the file can't be made as small as JPEG. As we said earlier, JPEG is small. You can save it, but the GIF is much bigger. You can save it also, but it can take a lot of memory than the JPEG. Okay? I will show you an example of a GIF right now. So this is a GIF. So that's a picture of a hedgehog. This is a GIF. It is like a moving picture. It's not a video, but a moving picture. You know, a moving picture. This is the GIF. So the third one is the bitmap file types ending in .bmp. Ending in .bmp. A bitmap, often spelled bitmap, defines a display space and the color for each pixel or bit in the display space. A bitmap, often spelled bitmap, defines a display space and the color for each pixel or bit in the display space. This is our third type or our third format of a picture. So let's revise what we learned today really quick. Really quick. So how computers recognize images? It uses image recognition. You see here, image recognition, image recognition. Okay. Computer also uses shapes to recognize an image. It makes the image into shapes by using edge detection. Edge detection. All right. What is edge detection? Just like you can see with your eyes, the computer has no eyes, so it uses edge detection. Okay. It detects like this is an ear, this is an eye, this is a nose, this is a leg, and this is a tail. This way it can recognize that this is a picture of a dog. Okay, this is a picture of a dog. All right. So what is the importance of the digital images for us in our society? Number one, show things that are important to us, like keeping a family picture. Number two, help us to remember things like our trip last summer or a wedding. Number three, help us to see how other people live, like pictures from other cultures like India or Africa or anywhere. Okay? It also makes us feel emotions like happiness, calm, sadness, sympathy, and anger, and so many emotions. Okay? Because pictures are so powerful, you do not share any picture with anyone in the internet. You have to ask your parents first, then you can share your pictures on the internet. Okay? Because the internet is not always safe. You need to revise with your parents. Okay? So, and the last thing we learned was the types of digital image formats. We have this first one, JPEG, stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Okay, I showed you an example of it. Okay, the second one is GIF. It's not a video, neither. It is a photo, okay, or a JPEG. It's bigger than the JPEG and it's compressed. Okay, and the third one is the bitmap file types ending in .bmp. A bitmap defines a display space and the color for each pixel or bit in a display space. Okay, so this was our lesson today. I hope you all have a great time and thank you for watching. Bye.